Welcome to Learning Easier. Today we're going to learn about pronouns. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Example, I, he, she, his, her, me, we, they, who, and etc. So a pronoun will replace a noun. What it means is if you're writing a story and the main character's name is, let's say, Emily. Emily went to the park. Emily saw her best friend. Emily played with her best friend in the park. Instead of saying Emily 3 times, we could just say Emily went to the park. She saw her best friend. She played with her best friend in the park. So as you can see in that example, she is the pronoun used. Noun. A noun is a word that describes a person, place, or thing. In the Emily story, Emily would be the noun as it's her name. Pronoun. Pronouns are classified into 3 kinds: person pronoun, singular pronoun, and plural pronoun. Person pronoun would be first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. The singular form of first person pronoun would be I, me, my, mine, and the plural form of first person pronoun would be we, us, our, ours. The singular form of second person pronoun would be you, your. Plural version of second person pronoun would be you, your, yours. Singular form of third person pronoun would be he, she, him, his, her, it, its. Plural form of third person pronoun would be they, them, their, theirs. There are many types of pronoun. Some of the types are relative pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, personal pronoun, subject pronoun, object pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, and intensive pronouns. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Write your comments in the comment box below. Subscribe and click the bell button. Follow Learning Easier Instagram.